Okay, this washer, it has a lint trap. And you need to clean your lint trap. I don't know if you can think of at least once a month. Now, the last time I remember I forgot about it, I went, I don't know, about 5 months and it was full. Oh, let there be light. So, you want to pop this out. And it looks like it needs cleaning. Okay, so you pop it open right here. And you see there's lint and gunk. I'll just show you how I cleaned mine. Yep, look at that. That's the lint trap. Now, if you saw that I popped it inside out, get all that gunk and lint out. Yeah, I got a paper towel to put my crap on. Hey, it's something you gotta do, even though it's a dirty job. Somebody's gotta do it. So, see all that collects over time. Now, about after 5 months, when I forgot to clean mine out, there was a wad of lint in there. So I'm gonna turn that inside out. Now I may rinse this off. Nah, it's okay. Just a little. That's normal. Just a little dirt. What you really want to get out is all this lint. So I'm going to try to place this back in there. Okay, so you got to get it in behind these little knobs right here, or whatever you call them. Okay. These right here, you need to try to click over that part right there. I'm sorry, I don't know how to explain it a lot better, but I can try to show you. And it's clicked in there, so it's clean. We got all that lint out, so you can go. I probably went another few months, but I wanted to show you this. I didn't show you the last video about 9 months ago because I didn't know about this. I was still learning. I just got the washer and I've learned, and I'd like to pass my knowledge off to you all. So you gotta line everything back up and pop it in there. I have my flashlight. It's way over there. Oh, now I'm going to line it back up again. I probably won't be able to line it back up like I did earlier. This is my only gripe about where. Okay, we got it. So I'm fixing to snap it on in there, and it's in place. So that's how you change the lint trap.